Hey guys, this is Skyhawk Heavy, and welcome back to our Infinite Flight video training series. Today we are going to go over the takeoff for the CRJ-900. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. I am spawned in at the Bombardier Aerospace Manufacturing Plant. But to go ahead and get the weight and balance covered, for this flight, I'm around 75,500 pounds, and you can see all the numbers there as far as the passenger amount and cargo and so on and so forth. Now you'll find that the 900 is very similar to the 700 with some of the flap setting speeds and all of that. So I'm at flaps 8, positive 60% trim. Now on the 900, you want to throttle up with the weight that I have set at around 85% in 1. And you just stop it there and let it do your takeoff roll, and you're going to want to rotate at around 135 to around 140 knots indicated. And so you'll go ahead and start pulling back on the yoke, and the nose will come up, and you just want to hold it right there roughly around 5 degrees positive pitch until the wheels come off the ground. Once you get your positive rate, raise your gear, and you want to climb out roughly around 2,000, 2,500 feet per minute. So you'll stay at 85% in 1 till you get around 1,000 feet or above 1,000 feet AGL. Then you'll lower the nose to increase the speed, but you'll back off on the throttle to around 82%. And once you get to about 170 knots, 175 knots indicated, you will raise the flaps to 1, which is just the forward slats, and then around 195 knots indicated, you'll retract the flaps and slats, so it'll be set at 0. The aircraft will be in a clean configuration, and you'll just gradually climb up, of course staying below 250 knots or below, up to 10,000 feet. Above 10,000, you'll climb at around 290 up to around 300 knots indicated, and you'll climb that at that speed all the way to cruise. Now once you get to your cruise altitude, your cruising speed, of course anything above flight level 280 on infinite flight will be a Mach number, not the knots indicated. So the cruising speed on the CRJ-900 is around Mach 0.79. There are a lot of times that I'll pull back the power to about Mach 0.77, but 0.79 is a good cruise speed. Now, like I said, the CRJ-900 flies very similar to the 700. There are a few distinct differences. It's also very similar in the landing profile, which I will cover in the 900 landing video tutorial. But going to take a little bit to get used to, but if you've been flying the 700, it shouldn't be any problem for you to pick this right up. It's an absolutely wonderful aircraft to fly, and I'm sure that you'll agree and that you'll enjoy it as well, especially for the more of the short haul 1 to 1.5, even up to 2-hour flights. It's a great regional aircraft. So I hope this video tutorial has helped you have a little bit better understanding on the CRJ-900, and it helps you control your takeoffs for a nice rotation and a smooth climb out. Now here's just a QRG, or a quick reference guide, for the 900 on the takeoff profile. Again, it will adjust or vary according to weight, but this will just give you a good general idea of what to use. Guys, I appreciate you taking a few moments to watch the video today. Make sure that you check us out on Facebook, on Instagram, as well as on Twitter. and also go ahead and click that subscribe button here on our YouTube channel. This is Skyhawk Heavy. Thanks for watching.